is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it. Goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody.
Wall Street Pete, Crypto in crypto. Want to learn how to make Crypto in crypto every day? Hit the like and subscribe. A couple days behind. This is what trading and the crazy bull market will do. If you hit the like and subscribe, chair is broken, so we're much lower than usual. If you've noticed, this morning we're going to talk a little bit. Hit the like and subscribe. 1.46K subscribers. Thank you so much. Appreciate everybody hitting the like and the subscribe. We're doing very well. Become part of the Wolves. And this morning we're showing a little bit of some leverage trading. This morning I want to show some people that want to learn how to do it, and I don't suggest you do it. Currently right now I'm long 20 times leverage on AGIX, and you can see Ethereum USD. I threw a couple $100 in here just to show a couple people. We're doing all right in it, but right now currently put this long position and entered a little more. We're at 147, I believe. Entered position, and now you can see we're up about 34% and 7% on this trade currently right now. And I'm going to talk a little bit about it on why I believe this is a good move and how we're up 1.05 trillion market cap and how you can ride some of these leverage trades and don't have to go particularly crazy. But I do like AGIX. We're looking to see if we could break this trend. Currently right now, I do have a little bit of some things here giving me a heads up. And what am I looking for right here? Currently is a break of this trend. So I'll sell out, basically close my trade at about an even break here, if so to speak. And if we can come up here and break through this trend, then we will get out at about 44, and I'm looking to do so, and that would actually double our money almost. Believe it or not, we would double our money. That would be an amazing trade. So we're looking to see if we could do that. As you can see down below, AGIX, excuse me. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Lyric. And talking about dollar cost averaging and on leverage trading. So what I do, I'd probably come right here, and I'd come in, and I'd start taking profits. Now we're in the negative on this trade, so we're hoping that the trend doesn't go too crazy against us. 20 times leverage will get you. Once we break out of this trend, we will know that the double bottom is coming, and we'll probably sell out before we lose any money. But we do have a buy signal down here, so we're hoping to catch this up. Bitcoin goes sideways a little bit, and so does Ethereum, and we'll be able to stay right in here and be okay. If we do start breaking below and close on 1 hour here, we will be in trouble. 47 minutes left, but I am holding this and hopefully not getting liquidated, as you can see on there. So just showing you this morning, we came to you live a couple days ago. We said we were very bullish. You hit the like and subscribe. We talk about this, and what you would do is basically take your percentages here, and I would take profit loss, and it's easier on your phone. But what I would do is go over to here, and I would click on here and close the trade. There's a flashlight. It's a flash symbol. I wonder if it's down here. No, it doesn't show it on here. There's a flash symbol. And if you would see it, currently we're getting wiped out here, and we might want to just take profits down here on this trade, which we're doing well on. See, this is what happens. You get scared. We're getting a little bit of retracement. And what's happening is we'll continue to come down. 1580, I think, is a little bit of support here that we'll find. So if Ethereum does do something like that, I'm not too worried. I'm going to stay in this trade as it's gone up and down all the time. But right about there, I do expect something similar. So we'll see what happens. Then I'll be taking profits at the 1614 for Ethereum, as you can see. And a lot of people, 83% confess attraction to crypto fanatics on Valentine's Day survey. So pretty much people starting to get into the crypto space. People starting to know. And what's happening here is this is a new trading leverage. If you want to check it out on Instagram, I have it up there. But once we start breaking below, we don't get a bounce. We know it's time to sell, and most likely we're going to get a nice bounce here. We'll see on the bottom coming in. But talking about different trades, like I said, 1580, not a big deal. For Ethereum, as you can see here coming down, it looks like it would be hell. This is 1555 exactly. So we could come down a little bit to 1555. That is very possible. So pay attention to that trade. I'm going to get out of that now and close my trading leverage thing. It's a new platform, so we're getting pretty much familiar with that. And we do have to find out where our support is for here, because we would be selling out if we don't get a bounce. But as you can see, creating new higher prices here as we continue to go. So we'll bounce off this, finish in about 45 minutes. So right now it's 8:14 Eastern time. I will wait till about 9 o'clock before I usually make my decision, unless we're breaking below the pattern. Crazily, as you can see, we've been holding pretty strong since all the way from last night. So we'll pay attention to that. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, you hit the like and subscribe. Every day, talking about going on a ride. Well, we're going pretty hardcore today. Please pay attention. Leverage trading positions, experience only. If you have no experience, I suggest you stay away from these sort of things. They can wipe you out rather quickly. And these are positions I put on overnight. And now we're going to see what happens here. I look like I'm going to get taken out of this trade, or we're going to have to face some liquidation moves here on margin. So we'll talk about that coming up, giving you an update. Wall Street Pete, what happens is they buy Bitcoin, they buy Ethereum, then it starts retracing, and then all the altcoins start jumping up to the upside. And this is usually what they do. They move the money over, and that's why we get certain jumps in different coins. So Wall Street Pete, not financial advice, sick dough in crypto. If you could get time, you can explain dollar cost average out in detail. The best way to do that, dollar cost averaging, is when you're buying, like I bought last night. I bought it at 550, right? Last night we bought it at 550. Then we bought it the day before. We bought it at 1505. That's dollar cost averaging in. If you want a dollar cost averaging daily, monthly, weekly, and then what's going to happen here is as it's rising all the way to 16 something, I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out. And what's going to happen once I hit my resistance, I'm going to get out pretty decent amount, 40%, then I'm going to go another 20, and then until finally I'm either out or I decide I really like the ride and I keep going, but most likely I'm going to take profits and get out. And then find my next position. This is what you have to do. It's called dollar cost averaging in. You're coming in a little by little, putting money in, and then same way coming out. You're not going to put all your eggs out unless you're really confident and excited about the money that you've made or the resistance that you're making. So this is crypto. This is trading. Just wanted to give a quick update. I wanted to do better of a tutorial, but unfortunately on here, and we're coming back on the AGIX, that nice, bouncing off beautifully where we're supposed to. This is what you got to do, and it's a lot of risk, so you don't put too much. You see I got 20 times leverage. I was doing 120. I got liquidated a couple times and made a lot of money. It's not really worth it. So please be careful trading on leverage. None of it's financial advice. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And one day we're going to show some bigger balances as we continue to go, but I'm not going to share all my platforms and all my areas. I don't really feel comfortable, so this is why one of my first videos in a while, I just wanted to show you a quick example. Just a couple $100, nothing. But you can make a couple $100 into 1,000. And you could do pretty well. So that's what's going to happen. Is that going up, pull out continuously? Yes, that's dollar cost averaging out. You're getting into a mode where you start buying until an extended point, and then you start selling to an extended point. And that's all you're doing. You have 10 grand to invest. You're investing 2,500 at a time, 4 times. You plan on doing it in the next month, every month, and that's how you dollar cost average, and you'll do the same method out. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful. I hope you can understand. That was MEX. Check out the platform. I definitely have a referral, so if you'd like to check that as well, check it out in the Instagram. Follow us at wallst.pete on Instagram. Thank you so much for your donation. I did receive a donation. I have to check it out. Till the next video, my friends. Take care.